Okay, so hello everyone and welcome back to Coding Champs. So today is our game lab session and I'm a mentor Shubhangi. So today we will learn how to create a very basic Fruit Ninja game in Game Lab. Okay, so if you have any queries, just feel free to ask in the comments or if you are watching the recording, you can ask in the Discord. Okay. Um, Okay, so let's wait for a couple of minutes so that everyone join the session, then we'll start. Okay. Okay. So we'll start in 30 more or seconds. Okay. Okay. So I think we should start. So now I'm gonna share my screen with you all. Okay. Okay. So I hope it's visible to you all. Or if it's not visible, or you can just put in comment. Okay. So first of all, open a new tab, open code.org website. After that, sign in with your account. After that, just click at this create and choose the game. Okay. So you will get this type of interface. Okay. And after that, see. So now just come in the animations. So first for our game, we need to add the animations. So here already I have added, and don't worry, I'll just provide these all sprites in the Discord as well. Okay. So now I'm going to give the images in the Discord. Okay. So if you haven't joined the Discord, you can join. The link you will get in every video. Okay. So in the game lab, yeah, in the game lab images, I'm going to give you these sprites. Okay. So I'm gonna paste it there. Okay. And for adding the sprites, you don't need to do anything. You have to just click at this new animation. Just draw your own करना है, paste कर देना इसको and rename कर लेना animation को. ठीक है. So अभी मैं इसको delete कर रही हूँ. Okay. So now I'm going to send you the images which are left. Okay, guys. So all these sprites I have sent it to you all in the Discord. Okay, in the game lab images. So now let's start doing the code. So let's come back to the code. Okay. So now let's add here the backdrop. Okay, the background. So first of all, there will be this background, and once and there will be a play button. Okay, and when the user will click at this play button, uh, ओके ठीक है। तो जैसे ही हमारा प्ले बटन मतलब क्लिक होगा, ये जो दो स्प्राइट्स होंगे वो डिसअपेयर हो जाएंगे, ठीक है। एंड उसके बाद जो है हम लोग को हमारा गेम जो स्टार्ट हो जाएगा एंड ये वाला बैकग्राउंड है। ओके, कहाँ गया वो इमेज? ओके, जस्ट वेट अ सेकंड। Okay, it just got disappeared. Let me add it again. Okay, I'm gonna add it again. So just wait for a second. Oh, let me paste the image. Yeah, so I just added. ठीक है, so ये वाला जो है इमेज होगा बैकड्रॉप पे एंड हमारा जो गेम है वो स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. So now let's see how we will do that in Python. So first of all, you create a sprite with the name of background. Okay, and we will just set its animation. या अंडरस्कोर को रिमूव कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. अब सेट कर देते हैं एनिमेशन. सो लेट्स सेट द एनिमेशन टू द बैकग्राउंड वन फॉर नाउ. Okay, but you can see nothing is there when we are running it. So why it is not there? Yes, because we have not added the draw sprites. Okay, so you can see just the size is too much bigger, so we will use the sprite dot scale for it. Okay, so let's put the size as 1.0. Let me see. I think I need to make it smaller. So 0.5. Let me insert and run it. Okay, this one size is good. I need to increase its height. Okay, so bg1 dot height will be 200. 200 is less, 400. Okay. Let's see now. Yeah. So I think this much is okay. Let's put it as 800. So this much is okay, I think so. So now, see. Now let's add here the play button. So we'll create another sprite with the name of play button. Okay, and now we'll set its animation. So it will be uh, okay. Set animation to the. Let's reset and run it. So you can see the size is too much big. So we will use the sprite.scale here. So the play button dot scale is equal to 0.3. Now let's reset and run it. Okay. So now let's okay. So 0.3 is okay. So now let's give the y position as 100. Okay, or let's put it as 70. I think 70 is good. Okay. So now see. So when we will click this, so let's take a if block here. So if go to world, take the mouse pressed over. So if mouse pressed over the play button, then just see. Then I would like that this background one should get destroyed and also the play button should get destroyed. Okay, and then see. Then I want the sprite of this the background to be visible. But first of all, we will just create it here. Okay, so one background two dot animation is equals to background 2. So now once I just run it, you can see when we just click at this. Okay, why is this not working? Okay, but first of all, let's create that background too, and let's give its visibility. But first of all, let's give it size. So it will be 2.0. Let's run it. Okay, 2.0 not 3.0. Okay, so this much is good. And after that, okay. So after that, now let's give its visibility. So जब रन करें प्रोजेक्ट को हम लोग then मैं चाहती हूँ visible नहीं होना चाहिए ठीक है so its visibility should be 0 but when I will just run it just make its visibility also its visibility is equals to 1 okay you can put it as true or false also Okay. So when we run it, you can see it's working. Okay. So now we need to add all these sprites of fruits here. Okay. So where? So first of all, let's add the apple. Okay, let's add the apple and the apple dot set animation to apple. Okay, and after that, see. So after adding the apple, let's give its exposition as 400. Okay, that it will be here. You can. Okay, but first of all, I need to make it a bit smaller. Okay, so the apple dot scale is equals to 0.3. Let's run this. Okay, and its visibility will be equal to 0. Okay, 0 for now. Apple not visible is equals to, let's commonly show text 0. Okay, 0, and once this play button is clicked, its visibility is equals to 1. Okay, let's reset and run it. Okay. I think I need to make it a bit more smaller. I think this much is okay. And now see. So now I wanted to come again and again from here. So first of all, we will just take here a if block for it. Okay. But before that, we'll just give the velocity. Okay. So the apple dot velocity x and the apple dot velocity y. So the apple dot velocity uh, x will be equal to -1. Okay, but here I am not going to give the y velocity. Okay, so when you just run it, you can see what happened. Please error. It's resetting them. Okay, so you can see, but it only came one time. But I wanted to come again and again. So for that, we will put in condition there. Okay, so let's put it. Um, okay, so if let's take the less than operator from here. So if the apple dot x is less than 0, then I want that the watermelon dot x is equals to 400 only. Okay, मतलब कि जो watermelon का x पोजीशन है स्टार्ट यहीं से होना चाहिए. Okay, so apple dot x is equals to 400. But see, the apple dot y. Okay, so okay, but the apple dot y. Okay, the apple dot y should be in random integer between 0 to 400. Okay, so let's take the block of random number. So between 0 to 400. मतलब कि कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं, यहाँ से आ सकते हैं, यहाँ से आ सकते हैं, बट ये स्टार्ट यहीं से होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सो इसे अगर रन करेंगे हम लोग तो आप देख सकते हो ये आ. तो अब हम लोग जो है नाइफ की स्प्राइट जिससे कि हम मतलब स्मैश या फिर मतलब कि स्कोर को इंक्रीज करेंगे. सो नाइफ and the knife dot set animation to on knife. Okay. एंड सी आपको इसकी भी विजिबिलिटी को जो अभी के लिए 0 पुट करनी है, बट सबसे पहले हम लोग साइज देख लेते हैं कि इसका साइज कितना हो रहा है अभी, ठीक है, या फिर और रहने देते क्योंकि साइज जो है और ठीक है। ओके, तो अभी के लिए इसकी जो विजिबिलिटी है इसको मैं 0 देती हूँ, एंड जैसे ही जो है ये मतलब क्लिक हो जाता है, जस्ट गिव इट्स विजिबिलिटी टू 1, ठीक है। Then knife dot visibility is equals to, okay, so in knife, and knife dot visibility is equals to 1. So now let's see. Okay, what happened? Sorry, wait a second. Okay, now let's run it. Okay. But see, I wanted to move on my mouse location. So for that, as in this PyTlab, we create the behavior for it. But here, or you can see knife is equal to create sprite. So let's put it as mouse dot world dot mousex and the world dot mouse. ठीक है? So the world dot mousex and the world dot mouse. So now once you just run it, okay, you can see it's moving. Okay, well it's not moving. Just wait a second. Okay, so I hope it's visible now. Okay, yeah, guys. Also see, but now let's run the project and let's see. So it's not working. So let's do one thing. Let's put it as 200 only. Okay, right now. And let's take the knife dot x and the knife dot y from here. So the knife dot x and the knife dot y is equals to world dot mouse x and the world dot mouse y. Okay, world dot mouse and the world so you can see moving where we are just moving up. Okay. Okay, so uh, uh, wonder if it's touch it, uh, that we take another if. Okay, we'll take another block. So let's I got disconnected. I hope I'm audible now. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen again. Okay, so if it's showing the apple, then see. Then I want that अब हम लोग नीचे आते हैं एंड यहाँ पे अब आप लोग को जो ड्रॉ स्प्राइट्स उसके बाहर एक फिल ब्लॉक लेना है, ठीक है, एंड कलर डिसाइड करना है अपने स्कोर के मतलब कि टेक्स्ट का। तो यहाँ पे मैं ऐसे पुट कर रही हूँ। ओके, जस्ट वेट एन सेकेंड। ओके, सो यहाँ पे जो है, ओके, एक वेरिएबल बनाना होगा स्कोर नेम से, ठीक है, वहाँ स्कोर इज इक्वल्स टू 1, सॉरी 0, एंड आफ्टर दैट सो अब हमें यहाँ पे एक फिल ब्लॉक को लेना है, ठीक है, फिल, एंड कलर डिसाइड कर लेना है अपने टेक्स्ट का। तो कलर मैं क्या चाहती हूँ, कलर होना चाहिए येलो, ठीक है, येलो ही कलर पिक करते हैं। एंड येलो कलर के बाद सी अब मैं चाहती हूँ टेक्स्ट साइज जो है, ओके, जो टेक्स्ट का साइज है वो हमें डिसाइड करना। तो मैं अभी के लिए 23 रख रही हूँ, ठीक है, एंड देन आप टेक्स्ट फॉन्ट भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो। इट्स जस्ट ऑप्शनल, इफ यू वांट यू कैन सिलेक्ट, एल्स यू कैन स्किप इट। ओके, सो टेक्स्ट फॉन्ट यहाँ पे मैं कॉमिक देती हूँ, ये कॉमिक, आप कर्सिव भी दे सकते हो, ठीक, कर्सिव, बट गेम लैब हैज लिमिटेड फॉन्ट्स ऑन, ओके। एंड यहाँ पे अब हमें जो टेक्स्ट डिस्प्ले करना है वो ऐड करते हैं। सो उसकी एक्स एंड वाई पोजीशन हम इन दोनों इनपुट से लेंगे, ठीक है। सो सी, सो अब मैं टेक्स्ट जो चाहती हूँ विजिबल होना चाहिए स्क्रीन पे, उसको मैं डबल कोट्स के अंदर लिखती हूँ। तो मैं चाहती हूँ स्कोर, ठीक है। अब हम लोग प्लस कर देंगे, अब हम लोग डबल कोट्स के बाद अपने वेरिएबल का नाम लिख देते हैं, ठीक है, प्लस अपने वेरिएबल का नाम लिख दिया। तो मैंने तो स्कोर नाम दिया था, तो मैं स्कोर दे रही हूँ, ओके। score is equals to 4 plus 1. तभी जो को add को add and सी में भी माउस प्रेस हो रहा है, आप एक काम कर सकते हो, आपका एनिमेशन तक कर सकते हो, ठीक है, यहाँ पे मैंने ऐड तो है, if you haven't subscribed. And bye bye everyone, or see you all guys soon with another session. Bye bye.